Scholarship presents KMS Career Team. Today, I'm going to talk about MBA in Operation Management. But before that, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Before moving to the depth in the topic, I would like to cover topics in this video. Those are like need for MBA in Operations Management, then duration and the scope, eligibilities and the fee course, then the common accepted exams, the syllabus of the exam, the syllabus of the course, then the job profiles, the recruiters, the salary and so on. Beginning with a brief introduction to the topic about the course. MBA in Operation Management is a management specialization subject which ensures that students get extensive knowledge about the various ways and means of processing the operating systems in order for their effective and optimum utilization. Now, Operation Management deals with the planning, organizing and managing the various productions and manufacturing services of organization. Now, the goal is to convert the input raw material to the output finished goods and services in an effective way. A graduate of an MBA in Operations Management program has various occupation opportunities at their disposition. Now moving to the need for MBA in Operation Management. MBA in Operation Management is intended to enable the students to plan, invent and manage the available resources in their full capacities to expand their business. Now it is very important that the aspirants who seek to enter to the management field understand that the developing skills in the chosen field is very important, but more than that is the all-round development of the individual so that one is able to have the necessary confidence to take the necessary risks to face the upcoming challenges. Now this actually means the students who are joining or the candidates who are joining this course should have that enough confidence to take up challenges and risks and also about their personality. Now, the communication skill is very necessary in this field as there are different modes how you speak. Like when you go to a market, you speak somewhere like in other informal languages. When you're moving for a professional, like your boss, then you're moving in a different language. Like you are speaking in a different attire. So in this case, MBA in Operation Management assists the candidates to enhance their knowledge by communicating with a comprehensive variety of people, including the researchers, the engineers, and even the marketing specialists. Now moving on to the duration and the scope. Duration of this program is generally 2 years and it varies according to the university offering the program. Now the candidates can take up this program as a full-time or part-time or by correspondence depending on the candidate of course and the university they are joining. Now next is the scope. In this case, an MBA in Operation Management helps the candidate to perform better in the fields. Those are like location of the facilities, then product design, process design, plant layout, material handling, material management, then quality control, maintenance management and so on. Moving on to my next topic, that is eligibility and the fee course, like fee for the course. The eligibility is that the candidate should have a bachelor's degree in any discipline or an equivalent qualification with minimum of 50% aggregate marks. Now, the students in the final year can also apply for this course. Next is every institute carries out a national level entrance exams. Those are like CAT, MAT, SAT and so on. The fees ranges up to 10 lakhs depending on the institutes, providing multiple facilities for the students and their curriculum. Now moving on to the admission process. There are two ways. Firstly, you can get direct admission based on the percentage of your graduation. And second is, you can get admission through the entrance exam, that is CAT, MAT, SAT, CMET and so on. and after that, that will be followed by a group discussion or a personal interview or a written aptitude test depending upon the institute or the procedure standards of the university. Now I'm going to give some examples about the most common and accepted exams in India. Firstly, CAT, that is Common Entrance Exam conducted by IIM, and it is an online computer-based exam conducted in between November to December once in a year, and the fees is 2,000 for the general category and 1,000 for the reserved category. Second is ZAT, that is Xavier's Aptitude Test conducted by Xavier's, and it is also an online computer-based exam conducted in January once in a year, and the fees is 1,700. Next is IIFT, that is Indian Institute of Foreign Trade conducted by IIFT, and it is also an online computer-based exam conducted in December once in a year, and the fees is 2,000 for the general category and 1,000 for the reserved category. Next is CMAT, that is Common Management Aptitude Test. This is conducted by National Testing Agency, that is NTA. It is also an online computer-based exam conducted in January once in a year, and the fees is 1,600 for the general category and 800 for the reserved category. Now moving to my last example, that is MAT, Management Aptitude Test conducted by AIMA. It has two ways, it is conducted in both the ways, that is computer-based and paper-based. Either you can move for any one option or you can move for both. Now it is conducted 4 times in a year, that is February, May, September and December. The fees is for one exam, if either paper-based or computer-based, then your fees will be 1,650. If you are sitting for both, then it will be 2,750. Now thereafter, after passing the entrance exam, they will be called for the next round, that is either group discussion or the personal interview, and so on, as I already mentioned earlier. Now moving to the syllabus of the entrance exam. It consists of 3 parts. The first part is vocabulary and reading comprehension, given a key area of concern as English is taken for the communication language for business activities. English is mandatory in this case. For the second option, it is logical and analysis of how you represent a data in the form of graphs, charts or diagrams to analyze the aspirant's awareness and the level of concentration and dedication. The third part is mathematical problem to understand the level of IQ and also the mathematical approach to a problem. Now moving on to the syllabus of the course. It has some popular subjects. Those are the quantitative techniques method, organization management, then is managerial economics, corporate marketing, accounting principles, skill development and business communication. Next is some of the popular colleges that offer this course. Firstly, GD Goenka, it's a private one and the exam accepted is GATE. Next, UPES Dehradun, it's also a private one and the exam accepted is UPES MED, which has its own own entrance. Next is SIOM, that is Nashik. The affiliation is the Syllabus International University and the exam accepted is SNAP. Next is NMIMS. It is also a private one and the exam accepted is NMAT or GMAT. Last one is JBIMS. The affiliation is Mumbai University and the exam accepted is CAT or MAHCT, that is the state level entrance exam for Maharashtra. Now I would like to tell you the required skills for MBA in Operation Management. Firstly, data analysis and decision making. Second is planning of processes, product design and manufacturing. Third is to the aspects of strategy, layout and the integration of different teams. Fourth is the supply chain management of product design. Fifth is the product design implementation and the development. Now focusing about the career prospects and the top recruiters. The various stream and the career prospects open for are as follows. Those are e-commerce, consulting firms, then warehousing, financial institutions, manufacturing and retail, information technology, construction, inventory, and so on. Now the various recruiters are, like, you can see yourself after doing MBA in operation management. They're like in the companies like Accenture, KPMG, Genpact, Tata Consultancy, Wipro, Amazon, HSBC, L&T, Novartis, and so on. Now I would like to talk about the job profiles. Like after doing MBA in operation management, you can be selected as like in the field of operation management, general operation management, then technical operations management, area operation management, or as a plant manager, business process manager, and so on. Now my last topic is the average salary. For top MBA colleges like IIMs, ISBs, and SOIL with placements, there you can expect around 30 lakhs annually. Now from top premier institute, it can be around 20 lakhs annually. From the average business schools, it is around 15 lakhs annually, and from the ordinary business schools, it is around 5 lakhs annually. Now the salary package depends on the candidate's skills and also the college placement packages, like the name of the institution, the reputation of that, the campus relationship with the company, and so on. So this was all about this video. If you want to have a career in this, visit our website knowmyscholarship.com and register yourself for more information regarding scholarship and admission. Our experts shall help you. With this, I would like to end my video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.